following equipment is needed for this skill: bedsheet, pillowcase, blankets, bedspread depending on hospital policy, extra padding for linen protection, disposal bags for soil line. Next, I'm going to perform hand hygiene and wear clean gloves. Place fresh linen on the clean surface in room. Loose all bed linen carefully and systematically. Elevate the bed to a comfortable position. Remove spoiled pads or covering and dispose of properly. Roll all bed linen inside the bottom sheet, hold it away from you and place in disposal bags. Remove pillowcase and place pillows on clean surface. Flood bedspread and blankets simply and place on clean surface. Remove and dispose gloves and perform hand hygiene. Pegging securing the corners unless using a pleated sheet with a metered corner. Note: refer to the making an occupied bed procedure for metering corners. Reposition the mattress to the head of the bed if needed. Apply the bottom sheet head side down by unfolding the linen and allowing excess length at the top to tuck in from one side to the other in spreading the sheet on the bed. If a draw sheet or a pad is needed, place it on the lower sheet where the top lies at the middle of the patient's back and the lower portion reach to the patient meeting or knees. Once all four corners are secure, pull tightly at the final corner to decrease wrinkles and fold tuck the side of the sheet under the mattress. The work from one side to the other in the securing the top illness. The lower corner of the top cover should be metered. Place thin pillowcases on the pillow as needed. This can be done by grasping the close end of the pillowcase at the center with one hand. Gather the side of the case over that hand, then grasp a short side of the pillow to the case and pull the case side up and over the pillow. Adjust the pillowcase so that the seams are straight.